Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 12. 반갑습니다, which means nice to meet you in Korean. The word 반갑습니다 is a formal and polite way of saying nice to meet you. This is actually a shortened version of 만나서 반갑습니다. Again, remember, it means nice to meet you. The term 반갑습니다 is considered to compose of two parts. 반갑습니다. 반갑 means to be pleasant or nice, while 습니다 is a suffix for formal or polite expressions. So when we say 반갑습니다, it's a formal way of saying it's nice. Or it could also be used to say nice to meet you. How do we write it in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ban in Hangul, we need to draw first a biap character, followed by an a character, followed by a nian character. For the second syllable gap, we need to draw first a giap character, followed by an a character, followed by a biap character. For the third syllable sup, we need to draw first a siat character, followed by an u character, followed by a biap character. But do take note that this is pronounced as sum, because the biap character is followed by a nian character on the next syllable. And then syllable ni is formed with a nian character and e character, and da is the combination of tikat and a. 반갑습니다. And with that, you've just learned 반갑습니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 2 to 11. But don't forget our word for today, word number 12, 반갑습니다. This is a shortened version of saying nice to meet you in Korean. Word number 11, the first word for our review is Yeoboseyo. This is used to say hello when answering the phone. Word number 10 is Annyeong. This is a short informal term for hello or goodbye. Word number 9 is Gomawo. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Word number 8 is Annyeong Haseyo, which means goodbye, and this is used when you are leaving the place first and the others are staying. Word number 7 is Annyeong Haseyo. This is used to say goodbye, and this is used when you are staying and the other people are leaving. Word number 6 is Jamsimanyo. This is used to say just a second or just for a while, and this could also be used to pass through a crowd. Word number 5 is Jeogiyo. This is used to say excuse me, and this is also used to call the attention of someone. Word number 4 is 죄송합니다. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 3 is 감사합니다. This is used to say thank you in a formal manner. And the last word for our review, word number 2, Annyeong Hasimnikka. This is a formal way of saying hello. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to study about the word sagwa. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.